Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what to do to fix the problem of YouTube using the wrong Google account. So right now, I'm using Google Chrome as my web browser. You should take note of what web browser you're using, whether it's Firefox or whether it's Google Chrome, because sometimes web browsers do influence the way it interacts with accounts on certain websites. So as you can see, I'm signed into my YouTube account, and if I want to switch accounts, all I have to do is click on the account icon at the top right, click on switch account, and then as you can see, I can freely switch in between whatever Google account I am currently using. So more or less, whatever account is currently signed in is the one that Google will remember. So if I switch to my other account, and restart my Google Chrome here, as you can see, it's still on that same Google account. So the reason why I mentioned the web browser mattering is because sometimes certain web browsers, like Google Chrome, for example, will have different profiles, user profiles. And what this is it's the account that is linked to the web browser itself, not the web page. And you can find this right above the account icon on YouTube. So this is it right now. So as you can see, this is my personal account, and I have some other Chrome profiles here. Some of them are mine and some of them aren't. So sometimes this is the default account that will be linked to certain websites. So say I switch to another Chrome profile and then I open up YouTube, then it's going to follow the user account based on that Chrome profile. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's really quick and really easy. All you have to do is be aware of how these things interact between YouTube, between your web browser, and yeah. So all you have to do is be aware of how your web browser can interact with the accounts on certain websites and keeping track of which account is currently signed in to the website. So in this case, YouTube. So that's pretty much it. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.